They had a lot of water damage in this room in particular. You can tell all the new floor tiles were put in. We also changed all the ceiling tiles. We sprayed all the walls. We scrubbed all the walls, scraped all the walls. A lot of people put in a lot of hours to make sure everything was clean, so you have a very nice classroom to come back to.
First project that we had was 5 schools that was in one contract. We came down, we brought in our own APTIM staff. We bought everything we thought we would need, but our biggest goal was to try to use as many local folks as we could. So we reached out to the local laborers and the local contractors and found some really good subs that were really able to help us be successful on this project, and we used them as a team. We were very successful. We finished our projects on time, under budget. Some really good feedback from all the principals, all the teachers. They were just wonderful and very helpful, very thankful for the work that we did. Everything from, oh, the schools look better than they did before the storm, to, oh, the governor walking through the school saying, oh, I voted in this school and the air quality in this school is so much better.
When we first walked in, the first thing that we noticed was the smell. It smells a lot cleaner than it actually did before the hurricane. So we're also pleased about the coloring of the walls. The building itself seems much lighter and brighter. And also the teachers are already in their classrooms setting up because the classrooms have been prepared. Windows that were knocked out have been temporarily repaired, but now the teachers can actually see out of those windows because they had frosted glass before. So they repaired those windows with clear glass that you can actually see out of, which actually brings more light into the classroom. So we're extremely pleased, and we would like to say thank you. We were also able to receive some wall hangings, posters, banners for the hallways and for the classrooms. On behalf of the Alfredo Andrews School family, we would like to say thank you for coming into our schools and making it safer and more prepared for learning.
And the reason we're here today is because we have turned over those schools. So there's 6 schools that are open for the kids. It was done in 57 days, and that's something that's down to every one of you guys. So give yourself a round of applause.